What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2011 Toyota Corolla, and if you're struggling with a ECM code P0138 and you've replaced like the mass air sensor, the purge regulator, one of the oxygen sensors on bank one, and it goes away for a while, but then it comes back after you've driven a couple days, we found the issue was the downstream oxygen sensor. So if you struggled with other things and could not figure it out, the downstream O2 sensor, and make sure you use genuine Toyota O2 sensors. Do not use the ones you get on Amazon, eBay, that sort of thing. Make sure you get a genuine Toyota part, and make sure you get it from an actual Toyota parts dealer. That way you'll know for sure. Otherwise, some of the Chinese ones, they look identical to the Toyota part. They'll even have Toyota logos and whatnot on them. But if you're getting it from a non-authorized dealer, you never know for sure. So that was our finding on this car. Check out our videos. We got tons of videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, golf carts, motocross bikes, working around the house, all kinds of cool stuff. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button. It's underneath the video screen. Please send a donation, because doing helpful videos is priceless. Y'all have a great day.